The tool I'm trying to introduce today is called MarkFlow. Basically, it's a design website that you can log in with your Google account. And if you log in, you open your project, this is what you will get. Here's kind of like the stuff I designed for my final project. It's unlike Apple XD, it's kind of like Windows system friendly. You don't have to have a mouse to move the page. And also it has all kind of tablet you can use for the project. Something like if you search homepage, you get the stuff you may like to use for the project. Also, it has different kind of icons. You can search the icon you want to use for the most, and you can import the image from the image side. The reason I like it because it's kind of like user friendly to the Windows system, and it's not that complicated as the Apple XD. It also have link. See, you can put a link between the pages, so it's kind of like a magic.